Hello friends, today let's move to the new summary of the lesson A Game of Chance. In the last class you have studied about the fair play. Now we will see the game of chance. Here it is a story or incident which happened in the author's village on the occasion of Eid. Whenever there will be a fair or some much fair, there will be enjoyed very much. So here Rashid is the author who went to the fair with his uncle. Let's move to the summary. As every year there on the occasion of Eid there will be a fair. It was celebrated very grand, and this year it was unremarkable. And here what they have done in the fair, will get all kinds of toys and games will be there. And toys for what sake they will bring? To sell. They will get from the pin to the big buffalo also. As Rashid, the author, was having an uncle, he took him to the fair, and with him the Bhaiya who was working at their home, he went to the fair with the Bhaiya and with the uncle and the Rashid. They went to the fair and uncle led them with a big crowd, and on the way the uncle met some of his friends. As we all wish to spend some time with the friends, in the same way uncle also wished to spend some time with the friends. Then before leaving that place, the uncle gave the warning, or he gave some instruction, as our elders will give some instruction to us whenever they will take, before taking for the fair. At home only they will be saying, what? Don't ask anything, whatever the things we will give, will make you to buy, that much only you have to take down. Don't cry there, I want this, I want that. Those all things they will give instruction. In the same way, uncle also gave the instruction that in his absence, that Bhaiya and Rashid should not go far away from that place, and they should not buy anything in his absence. Both Bhaiya and the Rashid both agreed, and uncle went to spend some more time with the friends. Now, as uncle departed from there, Bhaiya and the Rashid went from shop to shop. There were many things, but as uncle instructed, he not buy anything. Though he wished to buy so many things, Rashid, he stopped. He made break to his mind, to his heart, that not to buy anything. Then on the way they saw a shop which was called Lucky Shops. As they passed near the Lucky Shop, that the owner of the Lucky Shop was a middle-aged person, and his face was very attractive, and he want to make everybody to try their luck. What was the Lucky Shop? There were the dice on the table with the numbers from 1 to 10 facing down. All the persons who want to play has to pay 50 paisa and pick up the 6 dices. And they have to add all the numbers on the dice, and find the total. And the article marked with that number will be there as a prize. See, there what he tricked, an old man, he gave a 50 paisa and selected 6 dices. Then he added up that, he summed. Then he got the total of 15. For the total of 15, the article marked was beautiful clock. But the old man did not want to take that. So what he talked with the shopkeeper, that he will return the clock and he wants to take the 15 rupees. The shopkeeper, the owner of that shop, he agreed and he gave the 15 rupees to the old man and he took back the clock. Then a little boy came who was little older than the Rashid. He tried his luck and he got first. When he played that lucky game, he got the first prize with a worth of 25 paisa. That was the comb. The shopkeeper looked neither happy nor sad because this time he had some income. For 50 paisa he got 25 paisa prize. Then he bought the comb from the boy for 25 paisa. Again the boy returned. Then again the boy tried his luck by playing again. This time he got a fountain pen. Then again he tried for the third time. He got a wristwatch for worth of rupees 25 and then worth more than 10 rupees. Means 15 rupees was there, now it was 10 rupees. The boy was happy and went away with a big smile because what he played more than that, he got that prize. So he was very happy and he enjoyed and he went away. By seeing this all, Rashid wanted to play and Bhaiya also encouraged him. Okay, you can try your luck. He paid 50 paisa and he took 6 dices. Then he summed it and for that he got only 2 pencils. The shopkeeper gave that for only 25 paisa. Took back again. Then again he tried it. This time he got a bottle of ink. And again he took back for that the same for a 25 paisa. Again that Rashid took the third chance. Still luck was not with the Rashid. See, he had hopes that Rashid was having hope that he can win the big prize. But again he tried his luck, but every time he lost his hope. But every time he got a trifle, means he was unhappy. Then at last he was left with only 25 paisa. But the shopkeeper, what he did now, he showed somewhat kindness because you are a small boy. What you do? You play this with 25 paisa only. I'll make you to play this one more chance. Again he played that and he gave more 25 paisa and settled all the account there and again he went away. See, but all the people who were seeing that were looking at him. Whenever we'll be losing, some people will be laughing at us and some people will show pity on us. They'll say, see, so bad luck he is. Some people will show, oh, small boy, next time he will get the big prize. See, both Bhaiya and the Rashid went on and where the uncle left them. They waited for the uncle. When the uncle came back, Rashid's face was very sad. But he did not say anything to the uncle. But Bhaiya, as he has to report all, he told whatever happened there. Uncle or not got angry or became sad. But uncle, what he did? He smiled at Rashid and just patted on the back of the Rashid. Gave console. Don't worry, nothing will happen. Then again uncle took to the shops and he bought for Rashid beautiful umbrella, biscuits and so many sweets and so many other little gifts also, toys. And then they came back. After returning to the home, uncle told him that the lucky shopman had made a fool of Rashid. Then, but Rashid will not agree. No, uncle, no. He not made me the fool, but it is just a luck, my bad luck. Then Rashid will say that, uncle will say that, no, it is neither good luck nor bad luck. See, what you saw now, that old man, that little boy, both were the friends of the shopkeeper. See, what he did, he tempted you by showing them that for 50 paisa they will get the more costly prizes or more costly things. See, they were all the friends. These are the playing tricks that made the tempt and try to your luck. See, they wanted only your money. They never wanted to try your luck. See, you don't go again. If you go for the fair, you don't play that game. By seeing the small children, they will make them to play and they will take away the money from you. See, they will play with your foolishness, means your childishness. So you don't play such games. Thank you.